Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make milk ice cream. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You will also need an ice cream maker, a large bowl, and a whisk. Chilling your ingredients for at least 4 hours or even overnight will significantly improve the final texture of your ice cream. Now let's prepare the ice cream base. In a large bowl, combine the 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Whisk these ingredients together until the sugar is fully dissolved, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the mixture for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. Once your base is thoroughly chilled, it's time to churn. Pour the cold mixture into your pre-frozen ice cream maker bowl. Turn on the machine and let it churn for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until the ice cream thickens to a soft serve consistency. The churning process incorporates air, creating that wonderfully smooth and creamy texture we all love. Do not overfill your machine. After churning, transfer the soft ice cream into an airtight container. Place the container in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it reaches your desired firmness. This allows the ice cream to harden completely. When ready, scoop and serve your delicious homemade milk ice cream. It's perfect on its own or with your favorite toppings. Enjoy your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.